When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Done be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight. All in hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, it's been a while, but let me do my intro. Listen to my intro. Welcome, it's been a minute. CHICHII-SAN is here to finish, and if you're new here, then you're about to get stuck. It's funny because when I wrote that intro down, I didn't add to it, but I realized I was doing a lot. So now it's here to stay because it's gonna get lit inside. Okay, as you guys can see, we are having a program today. So yours truly decided to be the mother of all my mates, my children. So I brought everything. I don't think I should do that. I think I should go there and go and carry it. Whee! I brought this box. Okay. I bought this box. I actually stuffed the other stuff in it because of space. Curler, straightener, this glue thingy for your frontal. No, sorry, this is the spray and this is the glue. Yeah, this, I don't even know where the mousse comes in, but we'll make it work. I brought hair cream. As caring as I am, I was like, you never know what might happen, yeah? An emergency can happen where people will be like, oh my god, Chichi, do you have? So yeah, girl, I have it. You're good. Because it's a program, so there's no way you're gonna, be emotional. I brought sellotape. I don't know why I brought sellotape, but I brought sellotape. So yeah. The dryer itself, this is not new. The fact that it's in the rubber, and I just like to keep it that way, but it's not new. I use it. What is this? Oh, Silicon. Hi. I'm fine. How about you? It's not just me, like about 6 people. Yeah, welcome. I don't know how this hair is gonna work magically because I feel like I should wash it. This has suffered. I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna just wash it in the tap. It will dry.
On my mama, on my hood.
Lucky me. Cleaner ladies helping.
I look too good, put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say if she smell good, that's just cause I'm represent. Sex game goes stupid, stepping like a groupie. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant, but I know you think I'm fine. I'd be too fine to hit it from behind.
I don't know what dry I'm for. Let's go for dry.
I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly.
Our cleaner lady is really nice. I don't know if it's because I always greet her, because some people are like she's rude, but she's so nice to me. Ever since I stepped foot on it, I don't know if it's because of how I greet her, because of my own patrol. Like, I don't know, but
good, I look fly, I look too good.
see where the line or anything is, Charlie. I don't spoil everything. Okay, it's right here, something like this. You know the funny thing that just happened? Well, it's not funny, it's actually sweet. Someone just texted me and was like, I'm watching your videos. I'm like, that makes me happy. Thank you. I'll make more videos with you. I'm not even trying to make this shit. I can't even act right. It makes me so happy. You guys don't have any idea how happy I get when someone tells me, oh, I'm watching your videos. I'm like, are you? Are you watching my videos? Yeah, I'm happy he watches it. I just got a new subscriber. So how is this thing done? You lift it up. I needed to wear a net, but I don't have a net. So we're gonna improvise. Hey, it's supposed to be that thick. Hey God, am I doing this thing wrong? Will I lose all my front hair? Even though I don't really care if I lose that hair, because it always grows too much and sometimes I have to like shave it. And I've shaved it before, so it's not even a problem when it comes to... Hey, am I supposed to put this much? Oh, bash me if I ruin today because of this. But I'm trying to be positive. Yeah, I'm trying to be positive. I don't think I'll ruin it, so...
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more sick of this head of mine.
I think it has disappeared in the but I don't know how long I'm supposed to let it stay, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, you ready? Oh my God, what are we doing, girl? Forgot my band. I just remembered. Hey, again you. It has, it has finally. Yep. Why do I feel like this thing is too close to my forehead? What is it? No, it's not. It's cool. Guys. Nice. You guys did me dirty. Didn't tell me that the thing I was doing, the glue thing, it had made my hair white. So the moment I stepped out, I was like, Jesus, what the fuck is this? It was bad. So I had to, what do you call it? I had to remove the whole thing. And then I called someone from the office. She's really sweet, Salikem. Shout out to Salikem. She's really sweet. And then she helped me out. So this is what we are at. This is a whole different installation, not the old one. Trust me, I went to even wash my hair with water. But right now I'm going to meet up with Blessing. She's the one calling me and disturbing me. So here. You don't know Helena. I've not seen anything. Relax. Light on the nose. I need it like pencil. It's like, yo. Blessing. Hi to my vlog.
Hi.
You guys, this is my makeup artist. Yeah. And she's also a YouTuber. Oh. Hi. Where from all this? Hold on this day. May I video? May vlogging? Say hi to my vlog. Oh my god. Why am I crying so much? Are you cleaning my tears? All coming together. It's all coming together. It's all coming together. It's all coming together. Pow, 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 pow. Blessings with that.
How am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong, though. If there's a point of being good, then where's my reward? The good, the young, and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see making us hysterical.
Looks like aloe vera.
Got to be more, got to be
I know.
more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not sanitized. Got to be more than
That's what the girl was doing.
life's better on Saturn. That's so brave.
I know, right? But she's so cute. They also be like, my little friend. I'm vlogging, Charlie. What are YouTubers for? I'm a YouTuber, you didn't know. Oh my god, thank you. Looking like a tinga. Oh my god. Looking a 10 tinga. You let me start laughing, relax. Don't touch me, I don't like that. Thank you. Hey, how can you even compliment me like that?
Wait. She can, unless I use oil on it.
We had a nice that's why I'm not supposed to. There's instruction on it.
You're not supposed to watch.
You need to do after using it. You have to wait for a day.
I just said yes.
Yeah. You say you have to do it.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Done be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All in hope she's left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. I swear where the love is wide. I put that on my own mama. just cause I'm represent. Sex game goes stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. I'd be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could.
Daniel, why? No, Daniel, why? What do you mean? What is your problem? I'm interested today.
I look good. I know you wish you could. I look fly. I look good.
As telling me this one. I hope she's not. But your career be mommy, right? Hey guys! Oh. We're going out. We're gonna have fun. This is my outfit. Yeah, and then this cutie skirt, very demure, very cutesy. So I'll be going out with my friends. We're gonna have fun. We don't know where we're going. We're gonna go to Mocha's, wanna go to Aliba, wanna go to Zen Gardens, wanna go to Republic, wanna go to we're shuffling. But yeah, we're about to go out. We about to go out. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. The vlog is still ongoing. I'm going. High heels, my tippy, go, the independent, me look up, Love no sweet, but shouldn't cost all of me. I don't want you know they see me.
I seriously, Shan, you're not supposed to go out by this time.
Attitude, don't walk off. Thank you, baby. Hello. Good evening.
He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. He was born love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks and condo and grants to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted, 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway, I felt them, helped them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium, welcome. Bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm on the D in that outer, I call him Tabby like Doubters. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's hot, but it's hot, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then look at how the fingers. I'm in that zone.
Fresh hand. Guess the person from my video. I won't do it.
Hi, so you've seen the video.
Subscribe to Chichi's channel and hit that bell down below.
Everybody just watching.
Bye.